Hey beautiful people, summer is right around the corner and today I am making a pineapple mint cooler drink which is the ultimate summer refresher. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you never miss out on any of my juicing adventures. The ingredients you will need for this tasty summer drink are pineapple, cucumber, lemon, mint leaves, and ice cubes. Peel and chop the pineapple and cucumber into smaller pieces. Save the cucumber seeds to plant them later. Set aside a slice of lemon, pineapple chunk, and mint leaves for garnishing. Add the pineapple and cucumber chunks to the blender along with lemon juice, water, mint leaves, and ice cubes. Blend until smooth. Strain the juice, chill, then pour into a glass and garnish with the lemon slice, pineapple wedge, and mint leaves. This juice is not only tasty, but also perfect for cooling down and feeling refreshed all summer long. Also using the outer layer of the pineapple and cucumber. Add to a pot, then cover with water. Boil for a few minutes. Once cool, strain the liquid, then add sugar syrup, which is optional, and essence. If you enjoy this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing juice recipes and let me know in the comment section below if you plan to try this recipe this summer. Happy juicing!